Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. How can you improve your vocabulary? How can you start using English in your everyday life? How can you start using English words into your conversations? This is the topic for today. We will see how to use new words into your sentences. Or we will see how to use new words into your normal native language speaking. How can you add these new English words into your native language so that you can improve your English day by day? In this session, we will look at 25 daily use English words. You can use these words in your everyday sentences. What you have to do is first look at these words and then look at their meanings. Okay, I'll also give you the meanings so that it will be easy for you. Jot it down somewhere in a book or something or in your phone. Jot it down and start making sentences out of it. Yeah, I'll first give you sentences, but you have to make your own sentences, okay? So that you will be more familiar with those words. And then what you have to do is make flashcards out of it. Do you know what a flashcard is? It's a little, a square piece of paper where you can write this word down. And do one thing, turn it and write the meaning of that word there and also write a sentence of your own in that flashcard. And then what you have to do is use that word daily. In your normal conversation, these are very simple words that you can use anywhere, anytime. Now let's look at these 25 English words, their meaning, and one sentence out of each word. Don't just copy the sentence I make. You have to make your own sentence, okay? So let's start. Let me take a book, okay? Because I don't remember those 25 words. Now let's look at the first word. Every, E-V-E-R-Y, every. It means all of them, everyone, every day. You will be familiar with this word, right? It means all of them. Every morning I enjoy a cup of coffee. The second word is each one of them. It means everyone separately. They are considered separately. Each one. Each one of them received a certificate. The third word is very. It is used to emphasize or show high intensity. The weather was very pleasant. The fourth word is after. It is a really familiar word, right? After means later. We will meet after the lunch. It means we will see after having the lunch. The next word is also. Also means in addition. She is a good singer. Also, she dances well. So it means she is a singer and also a dancer. The sixth word is but. It means on the other hand, like if you say, I want to go out, but it's raining heavily. That means you wanted to go out, but you cannot because it's raining. So you are stuck. So, but means on the other hand. The eighth word is always. It means all the time. Always. She is always late. It means all the time. Whenever we call her for a party or something, she is always late. She never comes early. Never. The next word is never. It means not any time. Like she never forget her glasses. That means she will always have her glasses with her. She will never forget it. The next word is so. It means as a result or therefore, something we say casually. It is because of that. We say something like that, right? I'll give you an example. The weather was hot, so we decided to go to the beach. The weather was hot, so that is why, like that. That is why we decided to go to the beach. The next word is can. Can. It's simple. It means able to. I can write the assignment for you. The next one, cannot. Opposite of can. It means not able to. You're not able to do it. So, I cannot write the assignment for you. I cannot attend the function because I already have commitments. The next word is besides. It means in addition to. Besides studying, he enjoys playing guitar. So, besides means in addition. So, in addition to studying, he also likes to play guitar. Exactly. It means accurately or precisely. She copied exactly the same thing. That means she wrote what you wrote. She did not change anything. She did the same thing. She wrote down the same thing. Exactly means accurately, the same thing, exactly the same thing. The 15th word is further. Further, it means more or additional. Let's not discuss about it further. Don't talk about it more. Like, stop it there. Let's not discuss about it further. The next word is immediately. It means right away. I need a reply immediately. I need that assignment immediately. I need that project immediately. So it means right away, without any waste of time. Impossible. That means not possible. It's the opposite of the word not possible. It's impossible to climb that mountain. The next word is need. Need means require or must have. We need more volunteers to help. Give. Pass something. Can you please give me that book? No. K-N-O-W. No. That means be aware of. Do you know the answer? Do you know how to cook that dish? No means something that you are aware of. Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Want means wish for. I want some time to think. I want some peace. I want a chocolate. So, something that you wish for. The 22nd word is get. Get is very simple, right? Obtain. To get. Let me get that for you. Let me get you a cup of coffee. The next one is change. It means make or become different. Can you please change the song? Can you please change this movie? It is not that interesting. The next one is decide. It means to make a choice. You should decide it by today. Or from daily situation, you can say like, you should decide whether you need dinner or not. The 25th word is however. However. It means but. It is like saying but or nevertheless. Like the weather was cool and good. However, our picnic didn't go well. We discussed about it earlier. However, it didn't go out well. So that means but or like it's another way of saying but. So guys, these are 25 words that you can use in your daily sentences. So as I earlier told, you have to make flashcards, write the word on it, write its meaning, and then write a sentence of your own. Use it in your daily conversation. Don't use the same sentence daily, okay? Change the sentence. Use it in different situations. If you're using it one day at your home, next day, start using it at your office or at your school. Try making new sentences. This can be a lot helpful for you. You may not find that change today or tomorrow, but in a few days, you will be really happy to see that change in you, that fluency by which the words come out of you. This is all for today, guys. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.